Ready?
Yeah. Braeden Fields, I graduated in 22. I'm a pipe fitter welder.
What was your first job right out of weld school?
First job was Sugar Creek, welding 6-inch carbon. I worked at Tyson Food Groups for a year and a half, welding carbon steel. It was nice to see, the behind the scenes of how all your food's made from Tyson Food Groups. When I became a welder, I fell into welding. I got very, very lucky. I got out of the Marine Corps. Didn't know what to do with my life. Was not a very good guy. Thanks to you. Taught me how to weld, and I am way farther than me, or my family and friends ever thought that I could. I am a success story. I came from not the best guy in the entire world to doing what I'm doing now, building America one weld at a time, and living my dream. Financially, it's insane. If you can get into welding and you can perfect your craft and get better at your craft, there's no cap. There's no limit. You can make as much money as you possibly want.
If you could give one piece of advice to somebody thinking of a career in welding, what would you say to them?
You can't be soft. You have to be strong-minded. You have to be a strong individual. Go into construction, go into welding. That'll show you if you're tough or not. You come out of the Marine Corps or military, wherever you're at, you go into a construction background, they're just like your boys back there. EWA, just like you said, and that's the boot camp of welding. So you push and you grind and you grind and you grind. And your instructors are there, they'll help you out the whole time. And you grind for it. You have to have a strong mind. And that's just to prepare you for the field. So they're preparing you for what you're about to overcome.